Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate probabilities using the normal cumulative distribution on a calculator. So we're told in example 1 that x, our random continuous variable, is distributed normally with a mean of 60, so this value represents our mu, and a variance of 3 squared, so this means the standard deviation will be equal to 3. We've been asked to work out the probability of x being less than or equal to 65. So I've plotted this on our normal distribution curve. You can see it is symmetrical about the mean of 60, and we want the area under the curve that is less than the 65, so this blue region here. So when we enter this into a calculator, we want the lower value to be around here, and we know that this value is the mean minus 3 standard deviations, because all the data is contained within plus or minus 3 standard deviations of a mean. We know sigma is 3, so this will be 60 minus 9, which gives us 51. In actual fact, we could have chosen any value less than 51. The upper value, we're told, is 65. We know sigma is 3, and the mean is 60. So now I'm going to show you how to enter this into our calculators. If we press menu, we want 7 for distribution. We want the normal CD. CD stands for cumulative distribution. Lower, we know is 51. The upper is 65. The standard deviation is 3. And mu, the average, is 60. And you can see then the probability of being less than or equal to 65 is equal to 0.9509 to 4 decimal places. Okay? For part B, now we want to work out the probability of x being greater than 58. So you can see from our bell curve that this 58 is now the lower value. And we want the area that goes under the curve from the 58 to 3 standard deviations beyond the mean. So this will be 60 plus 3 sigma. 60 plus 9 will be the upper limit here. Again, sigma we know is 3, and we know the average is 60. So if we go back to our calculators, we'll change the lower to 58, the upper to 69, and we'll keep sigma and mu the same. And this will give us 0.7462, again to 4 decimal places. So now we want to work out the probability where x is less than 66, but greater than 56. So you can see the 66 is now our upper limit, and the 56 is now our lower limit. So we'll enter 56, 66, and we'll keep sigma and the average the same. Putting this into our calculators, and we get a probability of 0.8860 to 4 dp. Okay, so finally for question D, now we want to look at the probability of x being less than 56, which is this region here, or greater than or equal to 65. So we can't enter this directly into our calculators, but we know that the area underneath this curve represents 100% of the data. So we can work out the blue regions by doing 100%, which is 1, minus the probability of x being in this region, which is less than the 65, but greater than or equal to 56. And it is this which we can put into our calculators. So we'll say the lower is 56, the upper is 65, keeping sigma mu the same. Then we get 1 minus 0.8610. Then we can go back to menu. We'll press 1 for calculator. Then we'll have 1 minus this answer. And this will give us 0.1390. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this for a real life problem.